Mazda just confirmed the 2027 MX-5 Miata, and it's solving every owner complaint in the most unexpected way possible. If you've been quietly afraid that Mazda would eventually push the Miata toward hybrid batteries, automatic gearboxes, and a heavier body just to survive the modern market, what's coming is going to change your mind completely. While every other sports car brand is racing toward turbochargers and electrification, the 2027 Miata is arriving lighter than the car it replaces, with a bigger, naturally aspirated engine and a confirmed manual transmission. Next generation coming. 10 years. That's how long the current generation of the Mazda MX-5 has been in production. For most vehicles, a decade without a full redesign signals stagnation. For the Miata, it has signaled longevity. The car has continued selling, continued earning praise, and continued holding its position as the world's best-selling two-seat roadster. That run is now coming to a close. A complete, ground-up new generation is confirmed and actively in development. This is not a facelift or a powertrain shuffle. The 2027 MX-5 is getting an entirely new structure, a new engine, updated proportions, and revised technology throughout. Here's what Mazda's leadership wants every potential buyer to understand. None of that change comes at the expense of what the Miata actually is. The company's CTO, chief designer, and CFO have all been consistent in their messaging. The next MX-5 will be smaller, lighter, more driver-focused, and more faithful to the car's founding principles than any generation since the original. Mazda's CFO went on record saying the company actively hates weight and that philosophy is being applied here more aggressively than ever before. Think of this new generation as a refinement of everything the MX-5 stands for. A sharper, more purposeful version of the car that's been winning over sports car buyers for more than 3 decades. The spirit isn't changing, the hardware is. And what Mazda is putting under the hood to back that up is where things get genuinely unexpected, because the answer to the electrification question isn't what anyone saw coming. All-new Skyactiv Z engine. The electrification conversation around the MX-5 has been running for years. Hybrid powertrains seemed like the obvious next step. More low-end torque, better emissions compliance, a way to keep the car feeling quick without relying entirely on displacement. Every sports car segment was gravitating toward it. Mazda is not doing it. The reasoning is direct and practical. A hybrid Miata is a heavier Miata. Batteries, electric motors, additional cooling systems, none of it belongs in a car that spent 30-plus years fighting to stay light. The company's CTO confirmed that the ICE-based direction is being prioritized precisely because it produces the lighter vehicle. And until combustion engines are fully banned, that's the Miata Mazda is building. One of the most common frustrations with the current MX-5 isn't the power number itself. It's the feeling that the engine runs out of character before it runs out of revs. The top end feels thin, the mid-range response can feel slower than the car deserves, and fuel economy, while decent, has room to improve. That's exactly the gap the new Skyactiv Z is being developed to close. The power plant going into the 2027 MX-5 is a next-generation naturally aspirated unit also scheduled to debut in the upcoming new generation CX-5. In the Miata, that engine will displace 2.5 liters, stepping up from the current 2.0-liter Skyactiv G. For this car, that's the most significant displacement increase in the nameplate's modern history. The objective, however, isn't a horsepower surge. The company is not planning to add significantly more power to the new Miata. The extra displacement is being used differently. Sharper throttle response off idle, broader and more linear power delivery through the full rev range, and meaningfully better fuel economy over the outgoing unit. The Skyactiv Z is built around a Lambda-1 combustion method, an engineering approach that achieves an ideal air-to-fuel ratio during every combustion cycle. No excess air, more complete burns, better thermal efficiency. Combine that with zero turbocharging, natural aspiration only, and the power delivery will stay linear and directly tied to driver input in a way a forced induction setup simply cannot replicate. Lighter than before. The targeted curb weight for the 2027 Mazda MX-5 is under 2,200 pounds. The current ND generation MX-5 weighs approximately 2,330 pounds. The new generation is being engineered to come in lighter than that despite stricter crash regulations, more comprehensive safety requirements, and greater technology content throughout the cabin. Most people who've owned multiple generations of a car they love know the feeling. The new version is objectively better in almost every way, but something's slightly off. It doesn't change direction with the same eagerness. It doesn't feel as willing. What's usually happened without anyone really advertising it is that the car gained weight. It happens gradually, generation by generation, and by the time anyone measures it, the car that once felt like an extension of the driver now feels like something the driver is merely operating. For Miata owners in particular, that trajectory has been a very real concern. Mazda's engineering team went back through the complete production history of the MX-5, every generation, every key decision point, and identified precisely where weight had crept in and what it cost the car each time. The conclusion was clear: the MX-5 lost something important every time it gained mass. The current ND generation was already a deliberate course correction, lighter than the NC that preceded it, closer in character to the original. The 2027 model is pushing that correction further. Where other brands measure performance value in added power, Mazda measures it in removed mass. The length target of under 4 meters, just over 13 feet, reinforces that commitment. This car will not grow. It will stay compact, precise, and physically unintimidating in any environment. For the driver, the benefit is immediate. A lighter car stops shorter, turns faster, recovers more quickly, and communicates the road surface more honestly through every control surface. For a car this small, removing over 130 pounds is a meaningful rewrite of the driving experience. Hitting that weight target takes real engineering conviction, but what Mazda has committed to on the transmission side takes a completely different kind, especially given where the rest of the market has been heading. Manual remains. Look across the current sports car landscape and the trend is unmistakable. Manual transmissions are disappearing. Dual clutch systems shift faster, automated gearboxes reduce driver workload, and the business case for engineering and maintaining a 3-pedal option has become difficult for most brands to justify. Vehicles that once defined themselves through the manual experience have quietly moved on. The 2027 Mazda MX-5 is going the other direction. The manual transmission is confirmed for the new generation, not as a trim-level option, not as a heritage gesture, but as a foundational engineering requirement. The philosophy behind the decision comes from Jinba Itai, the Japanese concept of oneness between rider and horse. Applied to driver and car, it demands directness. Mazda's CTO stated clearly that automated systems, however advanced, break that promise by placing interpretation between the driver and the machine. No dual clutch, no automated alternative. Those are confirmed exclusions, not gaps in the spec. In a market running short on true driver's cars, the 3-pedal commitment in the 2027 MX-5 is going to stand out. Combined with a naturally aspirated engine and an aggressive weight target, this is a car built entirely around engagement, not performance metrics. The engineering choices are locked in, and now the only questions left are when this car actually arrives and what it's going to cost, because neither answer is quite as straightforward as you might expect. Release date and price. The 2027 Mazda MX-5 Miata is heading to market later this year. Development is confirmed and ongoing, with the production timeline aligning closely with the Skyactiv Z engine's broader rollout in the new generation CX-5. Everything currently points to a launch before year's end. On the subject of price, the new generation will cost more than the car it replaces, a new engine platform, an entirely new structure, and the engineering required to hit a weight target this ambitious all carry real costs. The current MX-5 starts at approximately $31,000. The 2027 model will push that number higher. How much higher? The expectation is real, but not dramatic. Mazda has never built the MX-5 to be out of reach, and that positioning isn't changing with this generation. This car is meant to be purchased and driven, not aspired to from a distance. It will remain one of the most accessible open-top sports car experiences available anywhere in the segment. The 2027 Mazda MX-5 Miata is shaping up to be the most deliberate, most focused version of this car in over a decade. A new 2.5-liter Skyactiv Z engine built for response over raw power, a confirmed weight target under 2,200 pounds that goes against everything the rest of the industry is doing, no electrification, and a manual transmission that stays exactly where enthusiasts need it. It's arriving later this year at a price that, while higher than the outgoing model, keeps the MX-5 firmly within reach of the buyers it was always built for. After 10 years on the same platform, this isn't just a new generation. It's Mazda's clearest statement yet that it knows exactly what this car is and has absolutely no intention of changing it. Clearly, the new Miata is the biggest novelty Mazda is bringing for the next year, but it's not the only one. Other models are getting updates, including the Mazda 3 you can check out in our next video. Nothing radical is happening here, but the Japanese automaker is further improving and perfecting every aspect of the popular compact hatchback.